Many of the Berninas come with these spool pins, and often the plastic ones are bent and won't pop in and out anymore. If you've got the solid metal ones, they may have broken, and if they have, you will need to repair them. The reason these pins pop in and out with a spring is because when they go into the case, it actually pushes the spool pin down so that the case can close easily. When taking the back off your machine, don't lose the little round plastic discs which sit on top of the machine around the spool pin, as they are loose and not glued in place. Once you've removed the back, you're going to take off the split pins that hold it in place. Now these often break very easily, and they are available online at a very cheap price, and because I use them all the time for all my different machines, I usually have the stock of the correct ones. So you can gently pry a flat object underneath that little washer and prise it off. If it snaps, replace it. Once that's pried off, you can easily get the pins out and replace them. With the plastic ones, if they've bent like some of mine had, then what I did was very gently heat them up and roll them on a flat surface until the spring once again allows them to pop in and out. And once that's done and they're cold, hopefully it stays in the shape it needs to be, which is nice and straight, which will allow it to be reused. And then you don't have to replace them. But if obviously they're broken, you can replace them completely. However, your machine will not be affected by the fact that they're broken off, because your spool will still fit onto the bottom half of your spool holder, if that doesn't bother you. But if you're trying to get your machine looking the same as it did when it came out of the factory, then this is a little job for you. Once you've done that, pop the posts back into place, replace the little washers, the springs, and put your sewing machine back cover back on. And then don't forget your 2 little discs which go around your posts as well. I hope that's been helpful. Have a lovely day, everyone.